what sort of I'm going to call them endpoints. It's not the right word. What I mean by that is the types of or the pieces of data that TradersPost can use in a strategy. For instance, whatever, if my P&L gets like negative 500 versus positive 500, if the RSI is greater than 80 and less than 20, if the time of day is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, those sort of things.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a gamut of things that are available in the toolbox for a user to use, or how does that play out?
Some of that. So if I go to the strategy subscription options here,
Yep.
which sort of are all the rules for how my strategy should be managed. Let me open
Mm-hmm.
up this one is based on futures. So
Okay.
the rules that are associated with it here is I can have like ticker rules where I only want it to trade certain futures contract
Mm-hmm.
symbols. I could have a trading window rule here where, depending on the time zone that I select, I only want it to trade on Tuesday and Wednesday between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m., for
Gotcha.
example.
Mm-hmm.
I can have position size rules where I want it to always trade 5% of the portfolio value, or
Mm-hmm.
some marginal amount of my equity. And then there are other rules for how it should be entered, like should it use a limit order or a market order?
Okay.
How many times should I retry? Should I have a take profit or stop loss attached to it? Things like that.
Mm-hmm.
But in terms of the types of technical entry rules that you're describing, those would be established on your platform of choice. So if I've written something on TradingView and the
Mm-hmm.
rules for when I should enter and when I should exit are on an indicator or within a strategy there,
Yep.
that's how we know that an alert will be established to send a buy or sell signal.
Okay. So you grab that alert from whatever coding rules or whatever the user does on potentially on some other platform, sends it to you. You convert to that JSON file, and off it goes. Right.
Yep, exactly. So now
Nice.
every time an alert happens on TradingView, I've got this webhook
Mm-hmm.
instruction that comes through.
Mm-hmm.
Here's one that bought an out of the money put from a
Mm-hmm.
strategy that I had set up, and we're just going to translate that into an order with the broker that you've connected it to.
Nice.